Revolutionary, electric vehicle for wheelchair users, a former Jaguar designer's vision. Unique EV, designed by ex-Jaguar design boss, for wheelchair users. Callum eVita, designed with Motability, has integrated ramp, 2 charging ports and rear infotainment bar. The new concept previews the electric wheelchair accessible vehicle developed in partnership with Motability. Callum Design, led by Ian Callum, has partnered with Motability charity to design an electric wheelchair accessible vehicle, the eVita, aiming to revolutionize driving experiences for 34,000 UK users, showcasing a more holistic design approach. Currently most waves are not custom designed, and are instead adapted from small or mid-size vans, like the Ford Tourneo Connect or Citroen Dispatch. Callum Design eVita offers a cost-effective, efficient, and comfortable passenger experience through innovative innovations, addressing compromises in efficiency and comfort, based on comprehensive research by Callum and his team. Ian Callum and Ruben Lansley, creative designers at Callum, conducted studies and interviews with users of vehicles to improve their visibility. In a practical test, Lansley found that sitting in the rear of an existing wave, he could only see the tarmac, which caused him to feel travel sick. The team designed a battery pack packaging that positioned the battery under the front seats, reducing potential motion sickness by aligning the passenger's hip point with the car's natural roll center and enhancing access from the road via an automatically extending ramp at the rear. The rear cabin has 2 sliding doors and a split tailgate for weather protection. A small control center allows rear passengers to control heating, ventilation, and media. The interior is designed for quietness and rattle-free operation, addressing issues common in converted waves. The purpose-built wheelchair package offers flexibility in back accommodation, allowing for more flexible use. Ian Callum suggests that these packaging innovations could be applied to other applications, presenting an opportunity for other vehicles to benefit from this innovative design. The eVita, a luxury SUV or supercar concept, is currently in development, but Callum suggests it could complete engineering if a partnering manufacturer joins. The design studio's clean and resolved design resembles a luxury SUV or supercar.